Chair riding. Dude, you just ran over my bag. Yeah, close my door because my room's all dirty and shit. Watch out for the wall. Oh shit. Fuck it.
Does your grandma not like this thing?
She can't like get nowhere in it, so she just uses her wheelchair. Because she gets like stuck. She's like, help, help, help.
Alright, I'm going full speed down the hallway.
Alright. Get it.
Did it break?
Scrape, but who cares? Oops. Look at that scrape. Damn.
Wait, right here?
Oh, right there at the bottom. Oh, you can't see it. Damn.
You want to drive?
Dude, I'm like the world's best power chair driver. I don't touch nothing. Get it. Dude, you suck. Hold it.
Get it.
Riding it. Get it.
Riding down the block in a silver power wheel.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Oh. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm good. Oh, I'm good. Oh. Didn't even touch her. Started right on bottom right.
Holy shit!
We're good. You already know I was going to hit that hard. Come away, Pepper. Alright, we're done. End it.